Hey there, Titans. In this video, I'll show you how to embed your Titan component with Lightning Web Components. Alright, so what we have here is a simple form, and what we're doing, we're getting some of the, we're going to pass in a contact ID, then we're going to get some of the, that account that's related to, that contact is related to. We're going to grab all of these contacts aside from that contact that we passed in, and then we're also going to grab the account cases, and we're able to add stuff to the table and to both tables. Let me show you the get. So I'll head over to Salesforce integration, set get. So we're getting the contact by the ID that we passed in. We're getting a maintenance request, which is the case, by that contact ID, account ID. Same thing for the contacts side from that contact. So we're getting all the contacts are related to that contact's account aside from that contact ID. All right. So let's head over and set up the Lightning Web Component. So we're going to head over to Limits, and we're going to click LWC, and we're going to hit Configure. First thing I need to do is select the hidden where I'll pass in the value. So in my instance is contact ID because all my gets are running through there. That way you should always do whenever you have your main hidden that you pass in the values and you run all your gets or pushes, whatever you do on your form, then you should map it. And if you select use Salesforce session, it means that whatever user that will be logged into Salesforce, the updates that will happen on Salesforce from the Titan component will happen under that user. And in my instance, I'm just going to leave it blank. And last thing I will do here is make my Lightning Web Component in reactive. So what I will do is post form size changes, and I will allow all domains and hit apply. What this will do, whenever my form grows or gets smaller, it will react on the Lightning Web Component, and I'll show you this happening. Last thing I'll do is style, size, and position. Make sure I'm in embed mode. Let's save the form, and let's head over to Salesforce. I'm going to edit the page, and I will select the Titan LWC, which is in the Form Titan package for Salesforce, and I'll throw it on the detail page. And the only thing that this Lightning component asks me for is a Titan URL. So what I will do is I'll hit publish, grab the form URL, and paste it in here and save. And one thing to notice, once you turn your form to be, or component to be in Lightning Web Component mode, then when you try reach it from the outside world, it will be disabled. So you can only reach it from your organization. All right, so we have this thing here. Let's head back. And I'll head over to details, and I can see my component. Wonderful, and now I can do some actions on it. I can change, I can make updates, I can do whatever I want. Let's just add a new contact, new LWC, LWC contact. And I'll add it. And if I'll head over to that account, I can see that I have my new LWC contact. Wonderful. Now let's see how my Lightning Web Component reacts to my form changes. So let's do two things. So first of all, I'll make the form a little bigger. So let's do 1300 pixels. And I'll add a repeat. This doesn't have to contain anything. Just want to make sure that it's auto sizing. So I'll make my form bigger. And the other thing I'll do, I'll add a text box with a simple condition saying if the text box is not empty, then I want to hide the account cases table, and I want to hide the account cases label as well. And I'll hit apply and save. Refresh my Salesforce contact page, head over to details, and I see my new additions here. So now watch this. If I add my repeated section, obviously this will be full with data in your instance, then you can see my form grows automatically. If I'll remove it, you can see that my form reacts. Let's put a value here, and once I hit the count cases, we can see that it grew smaller, and now when I put it back, it grew bigger. All right, this is how it's done.